Oh my holy. Hello everyone, my name is Sita Cloud and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And today, as you can see, I'm not wearing any makeup because this video is going to be a challenge. A one dip makeup challenge. So basically, I have to dip my sponge, my brushes into the product only once. So yeah, today is going to be fun video. So if you want to know how to do your makeup using only one dip of every product that you use, then keep on watching. Alright guys, so let's get started. I'm using the Infallible Super Grip Primer from L'Oreal Paris Cosmetics. Okay, so I have to take one squeeze. What the heck? Okay, this is all that I'm allowed to use today, and I am applying it on my face and blending that in. Oh my god, I want more primer. Oh, I don't have primer here and here. Oh my god. Okay, patience, patience, patience. I have to color correct my friends right here. This is SpongeBob. Sorry. I have to cover my blemishes, these two friends right here, and for it today I'm going to use the NYX color corrector palette. Yeah, so I have to take a green color corrector and I'm taking only one dip. Oh, I'm applying it on my blemishes. This is going to be good enough. Oh my god, this is so pigmented. Okay, it looks so funny. So now I have to blend it, baby, with my fingers to not run out of product. Now I'm taking red color corrector, one, and I'm going to apply it under my eyes, here and here. I'm already running out of product, so I have to blend it with my fingertips. Oh my god. And maybe I will have a little bit here. Oh my god. I'm pressing the brush onto my skin like very hard to squeeze the product on my skin. And now I'm taking the all-round concealer palette from Catrice Cosmetics. I think this is out of stock already, but I'm going to use beige colors to cover up the color corrector. I'm allowed to use only one dip. Take a lot of product. No, that's a lot. A little bit here. Oh, that's a lot of product. Oh my god, that's a lot of product. So I have a little bit of the product left on my brush to apply it on my nose. I'm blending that in with my fingertips, not with Beauty Blender because the Beauty Blender will eat your product. Eat. Sorry. I will take a Beauty Blender and I will blend this product because this is too much, even with one dip. Time for the foundation, and I'm using my favorite L'Oreal Infallible 24 Hours Matte Cover Foundation in the shade 110 Rose Vanilla. And this is full coverage. One squeeze on my hand. 1, 2, 3. Book! Oh my god! What the heck? It's like here, 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 and here. And I have to blend it very, very, very quickly. What the... Oh my god, one pump of the foundation. Oh my goodness. Now, it's time to cover up the blemishes using the Max Factor Pan Stick in the shade 12 True Beige. And I can dip the brush only once. Okay, a little bit here, a little bit here. I'm running out of product already. I'm blending that with my fingertips. It's not looking so bad. Alright, time for the concealer. And today I'm using the L'Oreal Infallible More Than Concealer. This is in the shade 327 Cashmere. And I will take only one pump. This is full coverage and I'm applying it under my eyes. Maybe I can cover this pimples. Usually I don't do that on top of the matte foundation, but now I don't have choice. I'm doing the triangle shape. A little bit on my nose, here, on my forehead. Oh, this concealer will save the look. I will squeeze all the product from the applicator. I will try to blend it with my fingertips first to not waste the product. I will use the beauty blender to blend this concealer. I have to use cream blush today and cream contour. But I don't want to use that. No, I won't use that. I will use now powder on my face. I don't have loose powder right now. I have only pressed powder. This is Maybelline Fit Me pressed powder in the shade 90 translucent. I will have to dip the powder puff only once. And I will take as much of the powder as I can. Oh, here. I'm running out of the powder. Oh, I will powder my face like that and I don't care. My face looks cakey. My nose is creasing. I'm pressing in the excess amount of powder. Only one dip. Total mess. I'm going to sculpt my face with the Inglot sculpting powder in the shade 510. This is the coolest shade that they have. And I will dip my brush into this contour only once. A little bit here, a little bit here, a little bit here, a little bit on my nose. Oh my god, a little bit on my forehead. I'm blending this in very carefully using only tapping motions because I don't have a lot of powder on my face. Time for the blush, and I'm going to use the Bourjois Paris blush in the shade 54 Frosted Rose. This blush is pretty pigmented, so I will take my brush and I will dip only once. Here, a little bit, here. Just a little bit. This blush is pretty pigmented. A little bit on my nose. Okay, for a bronzer today, I'm using the Maybelline This City bronzer in the shade 250 medium warm. Once, like that. Here. On my nose. A little bit here. I will blend it with tapping motions to hopefully save the look. Time for the eyebrows, and today I'm going to use the Anastasia Beverly Hills Deep Brow Pomade in the shade Taupe. I'm allowed to dip only once. 1, 2, 3. Oh my god, very quickly. I'm doing my eyebrows. I'm not talking, I'm doing my eyebrows. A little bit here. A little bit here. I'm doing the teal, and I'm filling in the inner corner. I have to blend it now. I have to carve up my eyebrows with concealer, and of course I will take only one dip. A little bit here, a little bit here. For eyebrow gel, I'm going to use the Maybelline Brow Drama Sculpting Brow Mascara in the shade Medium Brown. I'm taking out a little bit here. Yeah, I'm working very, very fast. What if I nail this challenge? I don't know. Now it's time for the eyes, and now let the madness begin. And first, I'm going to start off with the MAC Soft Ochre Paint Pot. I'm going to dip here only once and apply it on my eyelids. Oh my god. Okay, here. I'm blending that in, patting that on. I'm using tapping motions. I will take maybe the most pigmented eyeshadow that I have. Beauty Glazed Color Fusion palette. And this is very colorful palette. Okay, I'm going to dip in here. Only once. Oh, patting that on here and here. Building up the shape. I'm trying my best. I'm running out of the product. Don't worry. Just pat it on. Okay, I will diffuse the edges a little bit. I'm building up the shape. This is only one dip. Oh my god. Blending that in. Okay, I will take lighter shade and I will dip only once. And I will start to diffuse my edges. A little bit here and a little bit here. Starting to diffuse the edges. I am going to take, with this brush, this purplish color, only one dip, to dip the outer corner and a little bit the crease. Patting it on here. I'm using tapping motions. I'm taking darkest shade. This one right here. Oh, yeah. And I'm going to deepen the outer corner even more. Starting to blend it. For the shimmer shade, I'm going to use probably this one. Only once. I'm blending that. And for the lower lash line, I'm using the big blending brush. And I'm taking this shade right here. Taking as much product as I can. And applying it on the lower lash line. And blending that. And I will take this shade right here on a small blending brush. And I will blend the lower lash line even more. I'm using the MAC highlighter C18 Soft and Gentle, and I'm using this highlighter to apply it on the inner corners and under my eyebrow. So only one dip. Yeah, a little bit here, a little bit here, under my eye. Oh, it's so pigmented. Oh my goodness. Here on the inner corner. Oh my god. Now the wing. I have this one right here. This is the Essence Liquid Ink Waterproof Eyeliner. Oh my god. Alright, now I have to hide the wing because I have hooded eyes, and I'm going to take the black color from the Maybelline The Nudes palette, and of course I will dip my brush only once. Okay. Oh my god, it fell down. Oh my god, it fell down now, but okay. I'm taking small blending brush and dipping it only once. Oh my god, oh my god. Carefully, I will stamp it on here using tapping motions. Oh my god, it works, it works, it works, it works, yeah. I'm blending that in. Time for the eyelashes. I'm going to use the Lash Sensational Sky High mascara from the Maybelline New York. And of course, I'm going to dip only once. Oh my god. Okay, I will put my lashes on and I'll be right back. Eyelashes are on. It looks pretty good. I always extend the inner corner, but now I didn't have enough product to do that. I'm going to do my lips. Today, I'm not lining my lips. I'm not doing anything. I'm applying only the liquid lipstick on my lips. And this is the Maybelline Super Stay Matte Ink Liquid Lipstick in the shade 110 Originator. I will take only one pump. Oh, okay, don't talk, just do your lips. I will take a brush and I will dip it here and take the product from the wand. I will clean up the edges using only one dip of the concealer. Oh my holy... Alright, time for the setting spray and highlighter. And I'm using today the MAC C18 Soft and Gentle Highlighter. Only once, like that. And time for the last step, the setting spray. And I'm going to use the Diego Dalla Palma setting spray. And I'm going to use only one pump. Oh my god. That's it? Okay. Alright guys, and that was the one dip makeup challenge. And as you can see, this challenge was successful. Yes, the overall look is pretty good. So if you enjoyed watching this video, had fun with me, or found it useful, then please like this video and subscribe to my channel. You can also follow me on Instagram and TikTok. That all is Ira Cloud. And see you in my next video. Bye. Oh my goodness. Hello everyone, my name is Ira Cloud and welcome back to my YouTube channel. As you can see, the Essence Liquid Ink Waterproof Eyeliner. Sorry, one more time.